So in this video, you'll learn how to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to a Wi-Fi network. So the first step is to navigate to settings. And then once you're in settings, you want to scroll and select the option Internet. From here, choose Internet settings and then wait for it to detect any nearby Wi-Fi networks that it can connect to. Once it's detected there, then all you need to do is just scroll and select the network and then enter in the password. So you can use the on-screen keyboard, so you can use the touch screen feature, or you can just use the Joy-Cons to navigate. So go ahead and type in the password. Then once you've typed in the password, select OK and wait for yourself to be connected to the network. Once you've been connected, just select OK. And now, when you go back home, if you want to test the network, you can go ahead and launch an online game, or you can even just navigate to the Nintendo eShop if you haven't already installed the game, and go through the process of installing and downloading a game while connected to your Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.